Hello everyone, good evening. Good afternoon. How are you doing? How are you all? So, it's a live quiz on reflection of light today that we are going to do. Okay, this particular session will be very helpful for all the students who are studying in class 10th, because in your boards definitely you will be getting certain questions out of this. Okay, so we will be starting up today with the quiz, as well as I'll be taking with you the Unacademy quiz. For that, please download the Unacademy app. I'll be sharing the code with you soon. Okay, so on Unacademy, what we are doing, we are taking up your live classes. The number of sessions are there. Even the free classes, a lot many free classes and mock test series are there, about which I'll be telling you soon. So as to join all those classes, you have to download the Unacademy app. So quickly open up your Google Play Store or the App Store and download the app today, so that you are not missing any of such sessions. Okay, so today we will be doing the reflection and reflection of light, and it will be MCQs, and Unacademy quiz will also be there. Okay, before starting, know me, I am Dr. Bhavna. I have a 3 years of teaching experience, and here is my Telegram group channel ID that you all can use and join me on Telegram group as well. I am taking up your complete science on Unacademy. Complete science for your upcoming board exams. We are having a number of batch courses that will be really helpful for you in your last minute preparation. So I'll be telling about it to you later on, not now. So now it's a time to start with the question answers discussion. Our topic will be light reflection and refraction. I hope you all have already have you done the revision or not? If you have not revised as yet, then start revising it and answer me these questions that we are starting up now. Okay, so very first question for the day is, those who have joined, please reply me over the question. Very first question is, an object is placed 20 centimeters in front of the plane mirror. The mirror is moved 2 centimeters towards the object. The distance between the position of the original and the final images in the mirror will be 2 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 10 centimeters or 22 centimeters. Quickly join everyone and answer me for this question. This is the first question of the day. An object is placed 20 centimeters in front of the plane mirror. The mirror is moved 2 centimeters towards the object. The distance between position of object and the final image in the mirror will be 2 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 10 centimeters or 22 centimeters. Quickly solve it everyone. I am giving you 2 minutes to solve it. Jaldi se solve karo. What should be the answer for this question? The distance between position of the object and the final image seen in the mirror will be, Lavanya, you are answering option C, 2 centimeters. Acha, you are saying 2 centimeters, option A. Okay. Alright, I guess where are other people? Chalo, let us solve this question. Your answer is not right actually. The answer should be 4 centimeters. Why? You must be knowing that in a plane mirror, the distance between image and the object formed is absolutely the same. That is V is equal to U. Okay? In case of a plane mirror, we know that this is a mirror formula for plane mirror, that V is equal to U. So in this particular question, what is it saying you? That object is placed 20 centimeters in front of the plane mirror. It is placed 2 meters towards the object. So that means the final distance between the object and the image will be how much? 20 minus 2, that is 18 centimeters. The distance between the positions of the original and the final image that is seen will be how much? So the original image was distance between the position of original and the final image. Originally it was at 18 centimeters, right? Sorry, originally it was at 20 centimeters. And now it has been, the mirror has been moved 20 centimeters towards it. Okay? So now what will be the distance? 2 plus 2 equals to 4. So it will be 4 centimeters. Okay, getting my point? It will be 4 centimeters. So how much distance is left between? That is 2 centimeters and 2 centimeters. Total 4 centimeters. Okay, this much is the difference. Okay, Amazing video by Vaibhav. Okay, Vaibhav, hello, good afternoon. Vaibhav, we are not having Menti quiz. These are numericals that I am solving with you. Okay, Menti we will be taking on some other day, but definitely it will be there. And moreover, we will do the Unacademy quiz today. Okay, so now you already have the Unacademy app. I know about it. Please keep it aside with you so that when I'll start with the Unacademy quiz with you, you can join it. Okay, clear to everyone this much portion. 4 centimeters is the right answer. Saf, hello, good afternoon. Okay, now I am moving to the next question. An object is placed 100 millimeters in front of a concave mirror which produces an upright image, that is an erect image is produced. The radius of the curvature of the mirror will be how much? Less than 100 millimeters, between 100 and 200 millimeters, exactly 200 millimeters, more than 200 millimeters. Quickly answer for this. I am fine, Saf. Answer for this question quickly. I tell you, Lavanya, wait. हाँ Saf, I can see your comments. Please answer for this question. More than 200 nanometers. Okay, बाकी लोग Saf, Vaibhav, please answer for this question. Yeah, it will be more than 200 nanometers. Okay. Why is it so? Because in a concave mirror, when does the image is forming erect? When it is present between the pole and the focus. When the object is placed between pole and the focus, the image produced will be erect, will behind the mirror. So it is asking you that what is the radius of the curvature of mirror. It is asking you the radius. So radius is what? This one. Okay? Radius is from center of curvature to the pole. The whole distance is called as the radius. Radius is half of the focal length. Now it will be how much? If it is 100 millimeters, okay, if it is 100 millimeters, then it will be round around 200, okay, millimeters. So radius will be more than double to that. So it should be around more than 200 millimeters. Okay. So absolutely right, Lavanya and Saf. It will be more than 200 nanometers. Okay. Clear to everyone? Okay, next question. Which position of the object will produce a magnified virtual image if the concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeters is being used? 10 centimeters, 20, 30 or 35 centimeters. What should be the position of object to produce a virtual image in a concave mirror? चलो बताओ जल्दी से. What should be the answer for this? 10 centimeters. Okay. बाकी लोग भी बताओ जल्दी से. Saf, what is the answer for this question? Quickly answer. Okay, right answer will be, yeah, 10 centimeters is the right answer. Absolutely right. 10 centimeters. Why? Again, the same thing that we have discussed in the previous question. To produce a virtual image, the object should be between pole and the focus. So if the focal length of the concave mirror is 15 centimeters, then it should be less than 15. Here the value 10 centimeters will be less than 15 centimeters. So this should be the right answer, right? Okay, chalo, next question. A concave mirror produces a magnification of +4. The object is placed at the focus, between the focus and the center of curvature, between focus and pole, and beyond the center of curvature. Yeah, Lavanya, I'll just come to that question. I guess your answer is right. I was just thinking over it. I'll just come back to that. Okay. For this question, quickly mark the answer. Everyone, Saf, everyone, please mark the answer for this question. A concave mirror produces a magnification of +4. The object is placed at the focus between focus and center of curvature, between focus and the pole. Yeah, it should be between focus and the pole. The same example that we have done in the previous two questions. Okay, clear to everyone this much portion? Anyone has any doubts from this? Okay, just a minute. Let me come to the first question again for Lavanya. Okay, an object is placed 20 centimeters in front of the plane mirror. The mirror is moved 2 centimeters towards the object. So if it is moving 2 centimeters towards the object, final distance will be 18 centimeters over here, 18 centimeters over here also. Okay, because object is there only, mirror is moving. So the distance between position of the original and the final image is seen in the mirror will be. Earlier it was at 20 centimeters. Now it is at 18 centimeters. Okay, it has moved 2 centimeters towards the object. That means yeah, right, it should be 2 centimeters. क्योंकि we will be doing the subtraction of it ना, final minus initial. ठीक है? Yeah, right answer will be option A only. ठीक है Lavanya, you are right. ठीक है? Okay. हाँ 2 centimeters होगा, right. I've just checked it out. Previously I was thinking नहीं वो double हो जाएगा, but that was the distance between the, for the image only it was asking. I was in a vision of object and image both. That is why. Okay, next. A ray of light is traveling perpendicular in the direction perpendicular to the boundary of parallel glass slab. The ray of light is refracted towards the normal, is refracted away from the normal, is refracted along the same path, does not get refracted. चलो जल्दी से बताओ, what should be the answer for this? Quickly everyone, please mark the answer for this. A ray of light is traveling in the direction perpendicular to the boundary of a glass slab. If this is the glass slab and a ray of light is exactly perpendicular to the glass slab, what will happen to this? Will it be refracted towards the normal? Will it be refracted away from the normal? Will it be reflected along the same path? It does not get refracted. Everyone, please mark the answer. Yeah, Rohanika, option C. Vaibhav saying option D. Lavanya, you are saying is refracted along the same path. It's not refracted, it is written as reflected. Lavanya, read the question carefully. It will be not be refracted, it will be passing on like this only. At 90 degrees angle, it won't be refracted. So option D is right. Okay, there is no refraction of light, and if the light rays are falling over the plane surface of the glass slab, it will not be refracted, it will be moving over this. Here reflected is written and here refracted, so option D is much better. Okay Lavanya, got this? Okay, let's move to the next. A ray of light passes from the medium X to another medium Y. No reflection of light occurs if the ray of light hits the boundary of the medium Y at an angle of 120 degrees, 90 degrees, 45 degrees or 0 degrees. चलो जल्दी से बताओ इसका क्या होगा. हाँ वैभव, I'll just be sharing with you Unacademy quiz code. These are like 20 questions over here. 10 questions you will do over the Unacademy quiz. Okay, please answer for this question everyone. Meanwhile, I am generating the code for you all so that you all are able to join the quiz live. No, there is nothing like confusing over here. This is 90 degrees only. Okay? This will be 90 degrees. Perpendicular, that means what? When the rays are falling perpendicular, that means it is at the 90 degrees only with the plane slab. So whenever the light rays are falling perpendicular, they are not moving anywhere. They are just passing through and through. Okay? Clear to everyone? Just a minute, huh? Okay, meanwhile solve the next question. A lens of focal length 12 centimeters forms a erect image 3 times the size of the object. The distance between object and the image is 8 centimeters, 16 centimeters, 24 centimeters or 36 centimeters. Quickly tell me the answer for this. What do you think? What should be the answer? Done? Quickly solve this question. This is going to take some time. Okay, the quiz code. Please note it down. Unacademy quiz code is 659355. This is the Unacademy quiz code 659355. Okay, and answer me for this question. A lens of focal length 12 centimeters forms an erect image 3 times the size of the object. The distance between the object and the image will be how much? बाकी लोग भी सॉल्व करो जल्दी से. Only Saf has given me the answer. क्या होगा इसका आंसर? बाकी लोग भी जल्दी से. Don't take much time. कौन सॉल्व करेगा? जल्दी बताओ जल्दी से. वैभव, यू आर नॉट एबल टू सॉल्व इट. कौन सॉल्व करेगा? जल्दी से बताओ. 8 centimeters. ओके, हाउ डिड यू रीच टू द आंसर? सैफ, आज स्पेशल क्लास नहीं है मेरा. आज ओनली यूट्यूब सेशन. ठीक है. हाँ, object will be kept between focus and the optical center, right? Absolutely right. It first and foremost it will be a convex lens, right? अच्छा, start reading it. वैभव, क्वेश्चंस आएंगे बेटा इसमें से भी. ठीक है. So it is your O. ठीक है. And focal length is F. So of course it is a convex lens because here the image is forming 3 times to the size of object. Now what happens is the lens of the focal length is lens having focal length of 12 centimeters. So it is around 12 centimeters given to us to form an erect image. Erect image is forming over here. So how to solve this? Consider the object size as M. We are considering the object size as M. Image size will be how much? It will be 3 times the M. So the lens to the object distance. The lens to the object distance. Where should the object be kept? Object should be kept between F and O, right? So what we will do over here? We cannot do it half because we doesn't know कि exactly कहाँ पर है. ठीक है. But somehow we are having some idea. So lens to the object distance will be how much? Focal length into object size upon image size. So how much will it be? 12 into m by 3m. So how much will it be? 4. ठीक है, it will be the distance between the lens and the object. Now the distance between the object to the image is the distance between the object and the lens, because object image will be forming somewhere over here, right, कहीं पे, ठीक है, no sorry not here, it will be forming behind this. एक मिनट, हाँ, image will be forming on the same side of the lens over here somewhere, right. So we have to calculate the distance between the object and the image that is forming. So for example it is like lens और इसके बीच में कितना है 4 centimeters, ठीक है, this is we have got. Now what next to do, so the distance between the object and the image, we have to calculate this much of the portion. So how to calculate it? Distance between object to the image will be equal to the distance object of the lens, this one, ठीक है, and plus distance of the lens and the image, कि लेंस और इमेज के बीच में कितना डिस्टेंस है. तो अगर हम लोग इन दोनों को निकाल लेते हैं, वी आर गेटिंग टू नो अबाउट इट. सो सिंपल है, डिस्टेंस बिटवीन ऑब्जेक्ट एंड द इमेज वी हैव जस्ट नाउ कैलकुलेटेड इट एज 4 centimeters. So 12 plus 4, that is the focal length. Distance between object and the lens will be what? It is nothing but the focal length of the lens, that is 12 centimeters. So 12 plus 4 equals to 16 centimeters. So here the right answer will be what? 16 centimeters. समझ आया सब लोगों को? 16 will be the correct answer. Or you can go by the lengthy method. आप दूसरे method से भी जा सकते हो. If you are not able to understand this is a shortcut that I have told you. You can go by the lengthy method also, using the mirror formula. Okay, this question is taking some time, but let us solve it properly. ठीक है? So here you can use the formula 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. ठीक है? Using this formula, we know that magnification is 3 times it is equal to minus 1 by u upon u. ठीक है? So v will be equal to 3u. Now put the values over here. 1 by 3u minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by 12. Taking it the values over here, ठीक है, so how much will it be? 2 by 3, u will be equal to 1 by 12. U will be equal to how much? 8 centimeters. Now put this over here, यहाँ पर put कर दो, you will get the value of v as 3 8s are 24, right, 24 centimeters. So we have got this as 24 centimeters, we have got this as, sorry, 8 centimeters होगा ये, ठीक है, we have got this as 8 centimeters. So the distance between object and the image will be how much? 24 minus 8, it will be equal to 16 centimeters. ठीक है, so by this method also you can do it. ठीक है, हाँ, long method is the best one. You will be reaching to the right answer, that is 16. Lavanya, how did you reach to 8? 8 wrong है बेटा. चलो next question. If the object is placed 21 centimeter from the converging lens, the image formed is slightly smaller than the object. If the object is placed at a distance of 19 centimeters from the lens, the image formed is slightly larger than the object. The approximate focal length of the lens will be 20, 18, 10 और 5. चलो जल्दी से बताओ इसको कैसे सॉल्व करोगे आप लोग. जल्दी से सॉल्व करो इसको, थोड़ा लेंथी क्वेश्चन है, टेक योर टाइम बट सॉल्व इट. जल्दी, क्विकली, इजी है. Anyone got the answer for this? मिला किसी को आंसर? Nobody? देखो बहुत आसान है. Basically by giving the numbers they have slightly confused you. अच्छा you are solving. Okay, take your time. Take your time. Sorry. Hello Vanshika, please solve this question. Today's questions are slightly tricky. After these questions, they are like somehow easy one. मेरा phone? No, I don't have moto phone. चलो सॉल्व करो जल्दी से सैफ. आई एम वेटिंग फॉर योर आंसर. बाकी लोग भी क्विकली. 4 पीपल. कोई तो सॉल्व करो जल्दी से. जस्ट थिंक अबाउट दैट टेबल दैट इज गिवन इन योर एनसीईआरटी, देन यू विल बी एबल टू रीच. यहाँ पर आपको थोड़ा सा ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी एंड दिस और दिस दैट कैन बी पॉसिबल, इस बेसिस पे आपको निकालना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. यहाँ पे द के पीछे इमेज है. ठीक है. इफ इट इज नॉट विजिबल टू यू, दिस इज इमेज रिटर्न. चलो ना आई एम टेलिंग यू हाउ टू सॉल्व इट. देखो ऑब्जेक्ट जो है वो 21 सेंटीमीटर्स इट हैज बीन केप्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कन्वर्जिंग लेंस. मेक अ कन्वर्जिंग लेंस फर्स्ट. व्हाट इज इट? इट इज कॉन्वेक्स लेंस. ठीक है. इट इज हैविंग f1 f2 like this, right? It is having 2f1 and 2f2. These are the things, right? This is optical center O. What it is saying, if the object is placed 21 centimeters from the converging lens, the image is slightly smaller than the object. इसका मतलब क्या है? ऑब्जेक्ट को कहाँ रखा गया है? स्मॉलर होगा. डेट मीन्स इट इज बियॉन्ड 2f. ठीक है. यहाँ कहीं पे ऑब्जेक्ट को रखा गया इन फर्स्ट केस. ठीक है. सो ऑब्जेक्ट इज प्लेस्ड एट अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 21 सेंटीमीटर्स. ठीक है. इन फर्स्ट कंडीशन अगर उसको हम लोग रखते हैं, ऑब्जेक्ट इज प्लेस्ड एट अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 19 सेंटीमीटर्स, देन इट इज स्लाइटली larger. So that means it is between this somewhere over here between center of curvature and f1. Yeah, who got the answer? Lavanya, good. Saf, no, 18 centimeters नहीं है बेटा. ठीक है. So this is what 19 centimeters. इसका मतलब क्या है कि ऑब्जेक्ट को approximate focal length should be how much? So if we look at this options, so if we are looking into the options, we are seeing 20 centimeters, 18 centimeters, 10 and 5 centimeters. Between 21 and 19 centimeters. Between 21 and 19 centimeters, the object, the focal length will, the center of curvature will be somehow in between the two, right? Center of curvature यहाँ कहीं पे होना चाहिए, right? It's like a vision. So how much it should be? If we are looking into the option, it should be near around 20 centimeters. ठीक है. So if we are considering that our f1 is at 20 centimeters, or it is called as the radius also. So how much will be the f1? It will be half of this. So it will be 10 centimeters. So I told you on the basis of probability you will reach to the answer. So it should be around 10 centimeters. ठीक है. आया समझ में? हाँ, right, absolutely right. On calculating this is all like what you are having the understanding of the concept. Slightly difficult question, but if you are having some understanding, you will be able to reach it. ठीक है. Clear all of you? Saf, Vanshika, clear to all? Okay. ठीक है. चलो, now let's move to the next question. Focal length of a plane mirror is at infinity, 0, negative or none of these. चलो जल्दी से बताओ, ये तो आसान क्वेश्चन है. All are knowing about it. I know. हाँ, where it is? The focal length of the plane mirror will be at. सब लोग जल्दी से quickly tell me the answer for this. Focal length of the plane mirror is at infinity, 0, negative or none of these. Yeah, it will be at infinity. ठीक है, infinity is the right answer, option A. Next question. The radius of curvature of the mirror is 20 centimeters. The focal length will be 10, 20, 10, 40, 5. How much? Jaldi se, quickly. The radius of curvature of the mirror is 20 centimeters. The focal length is 20, 10, 40, 5. How much? 10 centimeters. Okay, Saf, what is your answer? 10. Okay, good. It will be 10 centimeters, option B, because radius is 2f. So f will be 20 by 2 equals to 10 centimeters. Okay? Okay, next. Power of the lens is in meter, centimeter, diopter or m-1. Markande Ojha, hello, good evening. Sorry, good afternoon. We are on the question. The unit of power of the lens will be what? Meter, centimeter, diopter or per meter. Option C. Lavanya is saying option C. What is your answer, Markande? And Saf? What, diopter? Okay. Okay, right answer for this will be diopter. Hello Muskan, good afternoon. Right answer will be what? It is diopter. Diopter होगा. Unit of power of lens is diopter. ठीक है, this is diopter. Okay, next. Convex lens focuses a real point-sized image at focus. The object is placed at focus between f and 2f at infinity at 2f. चलो जल्दी से आंसर मार्क करो quickly. A convex lens produces a real point-sized image at focus. The object is placed at focus between focus and center of curvature at infinity at 2f. At infinity, ठीक है, it is at infinity. Okay, चलो next. The optical phenomena twinkling of star is due to atmospheric reflection, total reflection, atmospheric refraction, total refraction. Tanvita, hello, good afternoon Tanvita. Please mark the answer for this question. Initial questions were slightly difficult. I have already discussed them. Please go through the recordings later on. Okay? The optical phenomena twinkling of stars is due to this is due to atmospheric refraction. Okay? Atmospheric refraction. Next. In optics, the object has higher refractive index is called as optically rare, optically denser, optical density or refractive index. Lavanya, quiz will start just after completing these questions. Hardly few questions are left. Please note down the code, everyone. Unacademy quiz code is 659355. Please use the code on Unacademy app, so that meanwhile you all are doing the questions, you can join us there. ठीक है, join it over the app. Okay, right answer will be what? This is optically denser. ठीक है, optically denser. Okay, 2 people have joined as yet, Vaibhav and Lavanya, I guess. Okay, let others also join. We'll start up. A concave mirror gives virtual, refract and enlarged image of the object, but image of smaller size than the size of the object is at infinity, between f and c, between p and f, at e. What should be the answer? Jaldi se, for this question, a concave mirror gives virtual, refract and enlarged image of the object, but image of smaller size than the size of the object is at infinity, between F and C, between P and F, at E. इजी है, क्या हुआ? नो वर्चुअल इमेज बना रहा है. वर्चुअल इमेज कहाँ पर बनेगा? क्वेश्चन इज नॉट क्लियर. द कॉन्केव मिरर प्रोड्यूसेस virtual, sorry, it is written wrongly, it should be erect, virtual erect and enlarged image of the object, but image of okay, question is confusing. Okay, remove these lines. Now answer. Object is placed at, बताओ अभी. Between P and F. Option C is right. Now this is right. Between P and F. Okay, C is right. Okay, next question. Power of the lens is 40. What is the focal length? 4 minus 40 minus 2.25 or minus 25? Answer for this question. How much should be the power of the lens is given to you? What is the focal length? Focal length is 4 meters minus 40 minus 0.25 minus 25. Answer should be option C. Power is 1 by F. So it will be minus 1 by 40. If we calculate it, it will be minus 0.25. ठीक है? Clear to all of you? Okay. चलो, moving to the next question. A concave mirror gives a real inverted and same size image if the object is placed at infinity at F, at infinity at C or beyond C. चलो बताओ जल्दी से. C is the right answer. Object is placed at center of curvature. ठीक है? That is why the concave mirror is producing real inverted and the same size image. Next, image formed by the plane mirror is real and direct, real and inverted, virtual and direct, virtual and inverted. Image formed by the plane mirror is, which kind of image is formed by the plane mirror? Real and direct, real and inverted, virtual and direct, virtual and inverted. हाँ, minus 0.25 centimeters is right. I told you ना, for minus 0.25 meters is right. हाँ, right. Virtual and erect should be the right answer. ठीक है? एक मिनट रुको. Previous question, was there any problem with the options? बार लिख रहे हो सब लोग. हाँ, it should be 0.025. Yeah, I'm so sorry, I didn't watch at the this option. It should be 0.025. ये होना चाहिए 0.025 diopters. Sorry, meters. ठीक है, हाँ, राइट लावण्य. ओके, नेक्स्ट. Which of the following can make a parallel beam of light when the light from the point source is incident on it? Concave mirror as well as convex mirror, concave mirror as well as concave lens, two plane mirrors placed at 90 degrees to each other, concave mirror as well as concave mirror as well as concave lens. चलो इसका आंसर बताओ जल्दी से. Guys, please join the Unacademy quiz also. I'm still waiting for you people to join. जल्दी से join करो वहाँ पर भी. both can form, ठीक है, concave mirror as well as convex lens, ठीक है, because they are behaving like each other, they are converging lenses and mirror, converging mirror and lens, ठीक है. So that is why A will be the right answer. Okay, moving to the next question. Which of the following statements is true? A concave mirror has 4 diopter power having a focal length of 0.25 meters. A convex lens of -4 diopter power having a focal length of 0.25 meters. A concave lens of 4 diopter power having a focal length of 0.25 meters. A concave lens of -4 diopter power having a focal length of 0.25 meters. तो क्या होगा सही आंसर इसका? I guess this is the last question. It should be 0.0. नहीं, ठीक है, चलो बताओ. Concave lens is a diverging lens. They cannot converge at one point. ठीक है लावण्या, they cannot converge at one point. They are getting diverted. That is why. Okay, Lavanya. Okay, right answer for this question will be option A. Convex lens has 4 diopter power and the focal length is 0.25 meters. ठीक है? चलो next. Okay, so that's it for the questions. Guys, we have done a number of questions today, ठीक है, and now it's a time to join the Unacademy quiz. So who all have joined till now? Quiz code is 659355. Search the Unacademy learning app over the Google Play Store or over the App Store. Then log in, select the goal as CBSE class 10th. Then click on plus, click on the label test button and then join the quiz. Enter the code and wait for the educator to host the quiz. ठीक है? Yeah, I'm writing the code again. The code is 659355. Please join the quiz immediately. 659355. Total 10 questions are there. Let me just open it over the screen. I guess this is visible to everyone now. Right? Quiz code will also be visible to you. Join SAF quickly. 659355. This is the quiz code. Join using this code. Okay. Okay, I'm starting up with the quiz now. ठीक है, 3 people have already joined. I'm starting with the quiz. Please mark the answer. So quiz is starting now. Okay, first question. The relationship among height h plus h, image and object distance can best be described by using the formula. Which formula? Quickly. Okay, time's up. Let's see how many have been able to answer it correctly. It's getting slowed down. Okay, leaderboard is not visible. If a 20 centimeters tall rabbit is playing at a distance of 30 centimeters in front of a concave mirror attached to its cage, what will be the height of the mirror if the focal length is 16 centimeters? Joint? Okay, mark the answer. It's just 20 seconds. Next time we'll increase the time. Yeah, B has been marked by maximum people. Actually time cannot be increased right now. Next time I'll just check it out if we can increase it or not. Only Lavanya is answering. बाकी लोग भी करो. A boy stopped at a distance of 15 centimeters. Okay, we cannot increase it right now. Lavanya, next time I'll increase the time. Okay. टाइमर स्लो नहीं है, आप स्लोली मार्क कर रहे हो. जल्दी से मार्क करो. ओनली 20 seconds we have. This time Lavanya again. Lavanya not able to mark, huh? Saf, where are you marking the answer? For a virtual image, the magnification will be positive, negative, 0 or none of these. Right, I got it. Next time we'll increase the time of the quiz. Actually, it's like not a theory type, na. It's there you might need to solve the question. So we'll increase the time next time. ठीक है, आगे से time बढ़ाएंगे. You will get the answers in the end. Okay, Saf. Okay, this time both of you marked it correctly. Next. Magnification occurs by the water droplets to form an image. Object behind it may occurs by plastic to form the erect image. Simple magnification by precision magnifier to remove aberration and obtain a sharp image. Simple magnification by diamond industries. Again it got over, huh? कोई बात नहीं. This time try to attempt it. We'll increase the time next time. Next time pakka. If the value of magnification is equal to unity, then the size of the image will be greater than the object, less than the object, same as that of the object. Done? Again, see the leaderboard. Actually, people are not joining over this leaderboard. If they are joining, they will really get a tough competition. Power of lens is expressed in terms of easy one. Diopter, meter, seconds or candela. This time Saf is up, Lavanya has gone down. Next, the power of lens with which is converging in nature is. It is positive, right? Positive hoga, right? It is used in hypermetropia, okay? It will be positive. Okay, let's move to the next. Okay, the ray from the car's headlight enters our equilibrium prism of minimum deviation if the angle of refraction is 15, then the angle of incidence will be. Here you have to use the probability. ठीक है, इसमें आपको एक probable answer निकालना था. Exactly you cannot find out the answer, the exact value. Okay, Saf 410, Lavanya 240. Okay, next. What should be the answer for this? Next and the last question. Next and the last question. Okay, it's done, huh? हो गया. Total 2 learners. बापरे. So let's see the solutions now. Okay, for the very first question, solution will be, it will expressed in both expressions, written as expression as minus v by u. Second question, use the formula. According to the formula, it will be the value. So minus 34.28 centimeters. Now finding out the image height of the image will be minus 22.85. Negative sign indicates that the image is real and inverted. ठीक है? हाँ, next time we'll increase the time. I guess tomorrow also we have one session. Tomorrow and on 25th also. ठीक है? So we have 2 more sessions. Okay, so see the answers for all the 10 questions. They are visible over to you in the app. Just watch it once. And now let me tell you about something important so that we can just move ahead with the session. So over here you have learned a number of questions today, some difficult, some easy one. Okay, now the thing is that you all have to practice. So for your practice on Unacademy, we are having a number of quizzes, so many classes, so many batch courses which are ongoing. Focus batch is there, and a number of batches are there that will be really helpful for you. Okay, so over here you can take the plus or the iconic subscription. Okay, why I am asking you to take the plus or iconic subscription? Because if you are taking the subscription, just a minute, if you are taking the subscription on Unacademy, you will be getting live classes for all the subjects daily. Weekly quizzes are there, doubt solving session, practice questions and test series are there. Okay, so if you are taking the subscription on Unacademy, you are getting number of features, and along with that you are getting a major benefit of live quizzes and practice questions. Okay, so if you have today you have downloaded the app, do not forget to use the code DBA11 to unlock the Unacademy free platform. Okay, to unlock the Unacademy free platform, you can use this code, as well as you can use it for getting 10% discount on subscriptions. Okay, so here is for class 10, the subscription charges are as follows. For 1 month, just see to this, you are getting it in 3000 rupees. But if you are taking it for a long duration, like for 24 months, 12 months, 1 year, 2 year or 3 years, you are getting maximum discount. Like for 3 years, you are getting it in 32,000 rupees. If you are paying 36,000 for 1 year, instead of that, in the same amount, you can get it for 3 years. Okay, so this is the benefit of plus subscription long term duration. So get yourself subscribed for a longer duration, not just for 6 months or 12 months. 6 months is also good. You will be getting 10% over every slab. Okay, whether you take it for 1 month, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, for whatever duration, you will be getting the 10% discount. Other than this, if you have some credits, you can redeem them also. Okay, so join over the plus, take any of the subscription charge, select any of the duration and get yourself subscribed. If you are taking it for longer duration, like for 36 months, it is just 889 rupees per month. Such a less charge. Instead of 3000, you are paying just 889. So you are getting a major benefit. Similarly, over the Iconic, what are the features of Iconic? Why it should be taken? Why is it better than Plus? Because here you are getting, along with the Plus characteristics or Plus features, you are getting the personal mentor, live doubt solutions, parents connect and study planner also. So there are many more benefits that you have over Iconic. Okay, so try to go for Iconic one as well, because here one-to-one educator will be telling you and the top educators will be taking up your classes. For class 10th, it is for 6 months, so it is costing you 17,000. For 12 months, 28,000. 15 months, 32,000. 18 months, 35,000. If you are taking it for longer duration, like for 2 years, 3 years, 1 year, then it is costing you much less. And EMI is available. Okay, no cost EMI is available for you. So just go for it. Okay, this is going to be really helpful if you are taking any one of the subscription. Now just watch it. मैम मेरा एक दोस्त अनअकैडमी पर है, उसने बोला था कि क्लास में एंटर करने के लिए कोड मांगते हैं, मैंने उसे बता दिया आपका कोड. हाँ ठीक है, फॉर DBA 11 you can use the code. Very good. And also to join on Plus you can use this code. You can use this code in both the ways, like for getting the Unacademy free platform unlock करने के लिए भी use कर सकते हो, and also you can use this code to get 10% discount. Okay, so both the ways it is useful. Okay, thank you so much, Saf. Now guys, so go for the Unacademy Plus subscription. 9 to 12th it is available. Subscribe early to get maximum discount and start studying as early as possible. Okay, because if you are planning earlier, then you are getting much benefits. Okay, so on Unacademy, subscribe for yearly plans, not just for monthly plans. Okay, next. So if you are having the Unacademy app now, you have a practice column as well, where you can do the daily practice of various subjects like maths, science, English and Hindi also. Okay, so if you are taking the subscription and you are looking at the practice tab, then you can do the daily practice over there for maths, science, English and Hindi also. Okay, so these are certain things. Along with that, there is one more feature, ask a doubt, where you are putting up your doubt, a screenshot or any of the question you can ask to the educator, and within 2 hours you are getting the answer. Okay, Saf, okay Saf, thank you so much for joining. Okay, and my pleasure. If you have liked the session, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, so you can watch your schedule, saved, enrollments, downloads, and you can watch the history as well, whatever you have studied. And minded notes are available in PDF format. Recordings are available for every class. Over YouTube, you are not getting the recordings. You are getting the recordings, but you are not getting the notes in PDF format. For that, app is there. Okay, so join on Unacademy app. Okay, along with that, there are some free tests for which to unlock them you can use the code DBA 11. And also they are available free, where your subjects are taken up, all the subjects, both for class 10th and for class 9th. Similarly, these are certain tests and some of the test series which are going on for the upcoming exams for class 9th and 10th. So these test series, they are included in your subscription only. You don't have to buy separately. Okay, so that is included in that. Okay, so if you are taking the Plus subscription, you are getting maximum things, like you are getting a prime batch, full syllabus batch for CBSE 2021, precision batch where the full revision for the pre-boards is there, let's crack NCERT full syllabus for pre-boards, and these are certain batches that have been recently launched where you are getting all the classes, and these are conducted in Hindi and English languages. Notes are available after the class. Along with that, doubt solving feature, as I told you, DPP is there to ace all your concepts. Daily free tests are available. Daily we are conducting mock test and free test, and the doubt classes are taken up for all the subjects. Upcoming batches, challenger batch, Expert batch where 10 plus year experienced educators will be taking up your classes. Target batch, fast track batch for pre-boards and boards 2021. Okay, so guys, go for it. It's very important for you, and use my code DBA11, okay, to get 10% discount on subscriptions. All right, staff, thank you so much for joining. Please do not forget to click on the bell icon. Bell icon को जरूर click करना so that you are getting notified. And also do not forget to like the page and subscribe to the channel. Share it amongst your friends, okay, so that they can use it. So download the Unacademy app today and start studying with a boon of online classes. Okay. Alright guys, so I hope today's session is useful for you. We'll be meeting very soon in the next class. Till then, study well. Okay, and we'll be meeting very soon. Thank you so much. Bye bye everyone. Thank you.